Hello everyone and welcome to another video. As you can see, we're playing a game that Mark would play. Duh, he played it. And this is called Sarah is Missing. I'm not sure if this is the exact one that he played or if this is just another fan-made simulator. But we are going to get into this, and this looks like my old iPod. So slide. That's loud. Ah, what is this? Okay. System failure. Device ran into a problem and needs to reset. Do you want to restore your device into an earlier time? If you'd like to know more, you can search online for this error. Yes? My volume on my phone is very loud, so yeah, I can hear every bitch. Hi. Are you gonna jump scare me too? I don't like this. Have we met? Wait. Wait, go back in. What did she say? Welcome back, Sarah. This phone appears to be damaged and... You don't appear to be Sarah. Have we met? I'm not Sarah. Who's Sarah? I'm gonna play this as how I would play this. And, who's Sarah? Sarah Young is the right owner of this phone. Please return it to her. View. Okay. I can actually quite literally zoom into this. Is there any secrets, like, looking into her eye? I don't know. Sometimes there are with these games. Okay. I wish I could, but how? But she's not here. Yeah, that's right, phone. It seems that the last video she took implies... I'm gonna turn my volume down a bit because I cannot stand that jump scare. I almost had a heart attack. It seems that the last video she took implies that she is in danger. Would you like to watch it and help me verify? Yeah, sure. Okay. Oh, I could go full screen just by touching that. Okay, go back. This is the only file left at this moment. The rest of the content seems to be deleted in intentional damage, or I don't know, I can't read. How badly is the phone damaged? How much can you fix? It appears only 14.3% of this device is operational. I think Sarah is in trouble. Sarah looks like she needs help. Yes, it would appear to be so. I am this mobile's personal assistant, intelligent whatever, I don't want to read that. It is in my best interest to locate her, and it would be in your good conscience to help me find her. Why do you care? Why do you want to help find Sarah? She is my owner. Ooh, Kiki. I want to make sure she is safe. It is my prime directive. Hang on, you want? You're a mobile device. Yes, I want. We were wasting precious time here. Will you help me find Sarah? This is dire, I'm guessing, because it's green. So, yes? I need to restore as much of the phone contents. Phone contents that I'm flu. Please press the back button, then tap and hold anywhere on the screen. Home screen, okay. She's a pretty cat. I believe I can recover some of this phone's data. Okay. Emails? Notes? Static. Ah, I can actually write on that. That's so cool. Okay. Okay, here. As I calculated, only a minor portion of this phone's contents are available. Where should I start? Perhaps going through her messages. Okay. Messages. Faith. Oh dear. Okay. This is where I'm going to be doing jump cuts because I have 21 minutes remaining. Actually, never mind. Screw that shit. Okay. What are you up to this weekend? Swamped with my homework, actually. Why? I need a favor. You always need a favor. What's due? Hey, don't be mean. I really want to go to this gathering. You mean a party? Yeah. I'm not really up for it. But it's sort of your thing too. What do you mean? Isn't that the witches fest? How is that my thing? You're the pagan. Hey, I follow you to church, right? What's the big deal? Anyway, you're like into all this supernatural stuff too. Yeah, but I don't party with ghosts. I'm not going to fall for one of your convent into fuck faith. Aw, that was a joke. Come on. Plus, aren't real witches. I bet aren't real witches. I bet I'm the only real one around here. Just some guys playing convent. We all do it, you know. Halloween, hello. I don't know Faith. Maybe not. Ask me again tomorrow or something. Okay, offline. Hi, Mom. Just wanted to check in. Derek and I have decided to end things. Things were not working so, but I'm okay. I'm sorry to hear that, Sarah, but I've always known that Derek could never keep up with you. Best you ended things before it got too serious. What time is your flight back? I can have my driver pick you up from the airport. Right. Well, Mom, actually, don't panic. I've decided to stay. Sarah, I don't understand. You've just come out of a relationship and you're in a foreign land. Why would you want to stay? I need some time for myself, Mom. Being at home now I can't. What do you mean you can't? You get on that plane and come home. Mom, no, I can't. I've canceled the flight tickets already, anyway. Why in the world would you do something so stupid as that, Sarah? Mom, listen, Sarah, you come home this instant. I will get my assistant to buy you a new ticket right now. Mom, no. I'm not coming home. And that's final. At least not yet. I don't expect you to understand, but see you when I get back, okay? Hi, Mom. Just to let you know, I've touched down. Walking to immigration now. I thought you were supposed to arrive an hour ago. Got delayed. Sorry, couldn't send a text. I've got into a meeting now, and the driver is waiting for you. Okay, see you soon. We'll be back late. We'll talk to you when I come home. Okay. Sarah, I've scheduled for you to meet with an exclusive creative director. I'm not gonna try and do that. The advertising agency at noon tomorrow. Don't embarrass me. Mom, I have a seminar to go to, and we've talked about this already. I'm not changing my major, and I'm certainly not going to be a copywriter. Mom, really, tomorrow's seminar is important to my grades. I can't skip it even if I wanted to. You're really going to pick your silly research on ghosts of all things over possibly working in a top agency? I simply don't understand your fixation with ghosts, Sarah. I've let it go for too long. I only want to help you build a promising career, not throw it all away just to be a ghost hunter. Mom, first of all, stop calling it ghost research or ghost anything. It's parapsychology. And secondly, I don't want to be a copywriter like you. It's just not what I want. And I hope you can understand that. Dad would understand. You know, the only reason why you can go on and do all your nonsense is because I allowed it. I'm trying to make sure you have a future at the very least. A paying job. Or a job that pays anything. How are you going to pay the bills with this kind of a career path? The only reason you can do this is because you're living under my roof and I'm paying for all your expenses. You've lived in lived a pretty comfortable life and a spoilt one at that. I've given you nothing but the best, and all I've asked for you is that you go to this one meeting and you shoot it down without even thinking about it. How ungrateful of you. And your father, he was a good man. Rest his soul. But unless but useless at living. He was a bum. I don't stand I won't stand for it if you become like him. Okay, Mom. Going in for a meeting. I'll be home early today. You will have dinner at home. We will take further on this. Okay. And that's where Mom ends. I'm just gonna skip over reading a few of these because I'm not sure if my recorder's not gonna last. So I will read a few on my own and I will get back to you and let you guys know. Okay, James is pretty short, so I will be doing his. Coffee 1800 or 00 18 1080 800 I mean. Yeah, sure, but let's make it 6:30 p.m. It is 18:30 it is. Bring the stuff I gave you yesterday. Next time bring your own research, okay? Don't be like that. I gotta go. Later, Stan. Chat unavailable. What is this? I don't understand. What was the other chat that she said? There was something interesting in. Ayana or Ayaz. Aya. What is interesting about this? Okay. Whoa. Nice, probably copyrighted. So I'm not gonna play that whole thing. Let's go in here. Static. What the hell is this? I giggled, and I don't know that when I giggle, my ass giggles too. And I think about being spanked by his firm hand, and I giggle no more. I might have to go back on Mark's video and check this out. So give me. I am seriously in a kerbuckle right here. How do I find out her birthday? Okay, so this recording may jump to a different, like, not my account. I don't know. Give me a second. I'm gonna go through my actual gallery on my phone and delete a few videos. Maybe I can spare a little room. Okay, did I spare up any room? Oh, a lot of room. So let's go through the videos. No, let's go through the photos first. Okay, oldest ones would be down here. What the fuck? Is there anyone interesting? Wait, go back here. It seems that this photo is with a video and yes. Please wait a moment while we restore the data for you. Successfully restored the data. Okay. Let's keep going through this. Nothing interesting. Okay. Okay, well, I don't see anything else interesting in there, so let's go to videos. Her friend seems like a jerk. Okay. Normal, normal, normal. And we've already seen that. So where is the other... Oh. Okay, okay, new messages. Hey, come on, Sarah. It'll be awesome. No, it won't. Okay, what is this? Play. What? I'm gonna play that again for you guys, and I didn't understand any of this. Okay. It's interesting. And does that say penis? See you later. Don't forget to bring those penis socks you got from... Oh dear. Um. Oh no. Something's wrong. Are you okay? Okay. Okay, I really got to turn this down. These jump scares are starting to tick me off. Except, okay. Uh, um, oh, hey Sarah, why aren't you speaking? Need to talk to you. I can't say anything. Oh, what if I decline? Should I keep answering? Uh, so in this kind of situation, I'd probably... I'm not Sarah. What? Who are you? Just someone trying to help find Sarah. I guess I have to trust you. Well, get... Oh my gosh! That was from Marble Hornets! This scene right here is from Marble Hornets! Part of the reason I have such good detective skills. Joking. Not really. Okay. Masky! Masky, 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 hey Masky, Masky, hey, Masky. Okay. Um. Oh no. I remember this scene from the Markiplier thing, so it gets bloody. So yeah, warning for any young eyes out there. I'm gonna let you guys know. I mean, you probably can't hear this because I'm talking quiet. But I like gore. So this stuff doesn't scare me. Okay. Link. Can I please share the link? Please. I just let me share the link. How do I share the freaking link? Ooh, didn't mean to exit the game. Go back here. Back there. I remember this. Oh, I'm still obsessed with it. Hmm. What if I wanted to share the link? Remember, guys, I'm answering these how I personally would in this situation, so yeah. Will you will never be prevail to that information, my young friend, nor will you need to it further your quest. Can you just let me say yes, please? I would love to say yes. So please let me say goddamn yes. I'll never join you, crazy bastard. All I have to do is say yes. Let me just sit here and embrace this photo for a second. Beautiful. I'm gonna screenshot this because I want to look up those exact coordinates later. I did not mean to shut my phone off. That was weird. Okay. Um. Um. Why can't I do anything? Okay, I guess that was the ending I got. I don't know. Let's go back here and see what this is actually. Small team with individuals at first finding a home. Okay. I might try and do another one of these. I really, really like this game. So, if you guys want to suggest me any games, please write them down in the comments. And they have to be compatible with a phone, because I can't play them on my computer and record anymore. It's just too laggy. So, yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. And if you enjoyed, please leave a like and comment. And if you are the first person to comment a game down below, I will be recording it as soon as I can get to your comment, and I will be liking it first of all, and then giving you a shout out on my Instagram. So, yeah. And I would prefer any games that Mark has played or Jack has played, but I will also accept any games that they didn't. And I hope I don't get copyrighted for that music. So, yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. And if you enjoyed it, remember, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to turn on the bell notifications right next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I post something new. I will see you, darkies, in the next video. Bye-bye.